brain is 60% fat, but if you actually go close up onto brain cells, you're looking at the structural fat, is really what your brain is made out of. And most of it is omega-3, and very specifically a type of omega-3 called DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. It's part of omega-3, part of fish oils. So first of all, if you imagine, a brain cell, it's got a very, very important layer or membrane or skin, if you like, which is through which all the signals, all the communication is happening. And it has to be sort of water resistant. In other words, it has to be waterproof. And that waterproofness is made by attaching these stringy things, which is the omega-3 DHA, to blobby things called phospholipids. Phospholipids come from fish and eggs mainly. And the stringy things come, mainly from marine food. There's no DHA in any plant food. Now, the thing is to put those bits together. It's done, if you like, by glue, which kind of involves B vitamins. I mean, I'm paraphrasing here because there is a process called methylation. And when you're not able to do methylation, you can't build brain cells. And if you can't do methylation, your blood level of homocysteine, there's a blood test, goes up. And particularly B12, B6, and folate. Folate, think foliage, think greens, and so on. But B12, again, is not in any plant foods. It's only animal foods. So you've got to have the combo. And I kind of like to explain a little. I mean, B12 is very rich in marine foods too. But just to kind of explain the magic of this, in David Smith's first study, just giving the B vitamins, he got 52% less brain shrinkage. He then went back to the participants in the trial. These are all people with pre-dementia. And he looked at their omega-3 status. He didn't give them fish oils. He just looked at the blood level of omega-3. And those with the third lowest omega-3 had no benefit from the B vitamins, right? And those with the third highest omega-3 had 73% less brain shrinkage and much better effect. So if you imagine you've got to have B vitamins and omegas to build your brain, you could have all the omegas in the world, but if you don't have enough B vitamins, they won't work. You could have all the B vitamins in the world. If you don't have enough omegas, they wouldn't work. So, to cut to the chase, a big study in Holland, which are given B vitamins, got a modest effect, went back to their results, and sure enough, they found that people with the high omega-3 in their blood had a much bigger effect. Then another very good study in Sweden, which had found minimal effect from the omega-3s, went back and looked at the participants' level of homocysteine in the blood. Low means good B vitamin status, and they found, yes, those with low homocysteine, massive effect from the omega-3.